Dear student, welcome, good morning all of you. Exercise 13.2. In this exercise you will be read the rule of exponents. So what is the rule of exponent you will be read here. So that first part is that 3 power 2 multiply 3 power 4 multiply 3 power 8, and then see that if the base is same, then we will write the base same and then power will be add. If there is a multiply, then power will be add. So that 3 power 14. 3 power 14 is answer. 3 power 14 is answer. And then second part that 6 power 15 divide 6 power 10, and then you are looking here base is same, so we will write the base same, and then 15 minus 10. If here will be divide, then we will subtract the powers. This is the rule. So 6 power 5 answer. And then third part is the same as the first part, and then fourth part is also same. See the fifth part, 5 power 2 again power 3 divided by 5 power 3. So that first of all we will do that one. 5 power 2 and again power 2 is there. So these two power will be multiplied. So 2 3 ja 6 divide 5 power 3, and then 5 power 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 power 3. Fifth part has done. Sixth part, yes, sixth part. This is the different rule. 5 power 2 power 5 multiply 5 power 2. 5 power 5 also there. 5 just made 5 power 5 also there is given. So that now you are looking power is same, and then this is given in multiply. So that will be like this. 2 multiply 5 like this. So 10 power 5. And then another, yes, seventh part is similar than one. Eighth part also we have done here like this questions. And then ninth, 2 power 20 divide 2 power 15 and then multiply 2 power 3 So that first of all we subtract that one, 2 power 20 minus 15, and then multiply 2 power 3. So that 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 3, and then 2 power 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 power 8. And then that is the given t. So 10th question also see that 8 power t and then divide by 8 power 2. So here 8 power t minus 2. We can't subtract 2 from t. So we will write that same. Question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. First of all we will simplify of that one, and then we will write in exponential form. So that 2 power 3 power 4, 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into, that is 4 upon 3 into 32. So that 2 into 2, that's a 3 times, so we can write 3 times, and that's a 4 times, so that will be write 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 4, and then upon 3 into that 32. So 3 cancel by 3, and then 4 8 ja 32, and then 2 4 ja 2 2 ja and 2 1 ja. So that 3 has left 3 times, so that 3 power 3 answer. And then you can do similarly that one. Second part, 5 power 2 power 3 multiply 5 power 4 divide by 5 power 7. 5 power 7. So first of all we will do this bracket. 5 power, that will be 2 3 is 6, multiply 5 power 4. 5 power 7. By the add of power, because base is same, 5 power 10 divided by 5 power 7. By the divide, that will be subtract. So 5 power 10 less 7, that is 3. And then next, second part we have done. So that third part also you can do. Fourth part also you can do, no problem will be there. See the third part, just something is different here. 25 power 4 divide 5 power 3. 5 power 3. So that is a 25 into 25 into, or you can write like this also. 5 power 2, that is a 25. 5 power 2. 5 5 is a 25. And then 4 divided by 5 power 3. So 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 3. So that 8 less 3, 5. 5 power 5. Like this also you can do, or you can write in multiply also. And then third, fourth you can do, fifth also, no problem is there. Sixth part is that. Very simple question. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0. If you are looking anywhere power 0, that value will be 1. 1. 1. So that is 3. And then similarly, seventh part you can do, eighth part also you can do, or you can see that eighth part also do, ninth part. Ninth part 2 power 8 and then multiply a power 3 upon 4 power 3 multiply a power 3. So that is a, that is a 5. And then first of all we will do that one thing. 2 power 8 multiply a power 5 upon 2 power 2 and then 3 multiply a power 3. And then after, see here, 2 power 8 multiply a power 5 upon 2 power 6 multiply a power 3. So that 2 power 8 and 2 power 6, this is given in divide, so that will be 2 power 8 less 6, 2. And then similarly this one also, 5 plus 3, 2. So a power 2. Or you can write like this also, 2a, like this in common sect. And then ninth part has done. Eighth part you can do, no problem will be here. And then ninth part also no problem is there. Or you can see that also, ninth part. 11th part. 11th part, 4 power 5, that is a multiply a power 8 b power 3 upon 4 power 5 a power 5 b power 2. 4 5 cancel, 8 less 5, 3, so a power 3, and then b, 3 less 2, 1, no need to write the 1, already is 1 here. And then last part also you can see that 2 power 3 multiply 2 and then whole power is 2. So that 2 power, that is 4, because 1 power is here, so 3 1 4, and then power 2 is equal to 3 power 4 2 ja 8. And then question number 3, say true or false. Say true or false. So that first one is a false. Oh sorry, that is a true. No, false is that. False is that before the is equal to, that will be 10 power 12 and after is equal to, you are looking 100 power 11. So that is a false. So that 2 power 3 is greater or 5 power 2 is greater? That 5 power 2 is greater. And then 2 power 3, 3 power 2, that is a, yes, third is a true. And then 3 power 0 or 100 power 0, both value is 1. So that is also true. And then fourth question, express each of the following as a product of prime factor only in exponential form. Only in exponential form. So that first part, 108 into 192. So first of all, we will convert that 108 in prime factor. So 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja, 2, that is 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja. So that, and then next one also we will convert in that. 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja, and then 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So here we are looking only two type of factors, that is 2 and multiply 3, and then 2, how many times is 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is a 8 power. And then 3, 1 2 3, 4 times, so that is a 4 power. That is a 4 power. Similarly, 217 you can do, 70 you can do, 7, that is a third part. 729 multiply 64. 729 multiply 64. Similarly, you will be make the factor of this one. 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja, and then 3 8 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So that we have seen one factor, and then 64 also we will write, that is 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 16 ja, and then 2 8 ja, and then 2 4 ja, and then 2 2 ja, and 2 1 ja, and then 2 also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is a 6 power. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is a 6 power. So that you are looking power is same. So this will be multiplied. 3 2 ja, 6 power 6. 6 power 6, that will become. And then fifth question, that is the simplify. And then last part you can do, no problem will be there. And then last question, fifth question, that simplify. Simplify, first part is that 2 power 5 power 2 into 7 power 3 upon 8 power 3 into 7. So that first of all, this will be convert in 2 5 to 10, 2 power 10 into 7 power 3, and that one also will convert, that 2 power 3, and then that will be 3, because 2 to 4 to 8, and then 7. So that 2 power 10 into 7.3 upon that here 2 power 6, sorry 9 multiply 7. So that here you can see that 2 power 10, 2 power 9, so that is a 2 power 1 into 2 power 3, oh sorry 7 power 3, 7 power 1, so 7 power 2. So that 2 into 7 is equal to 7 7 is 49 and 98 answer. And then 2 part more is here, that second part is 25 multiply 5 power 2, 25 multiply 5 power 2 into t power 5 upon 10 power 3 into t power 4, t power 4. So that this will be that is a 8, sorry, see that. So 25 into 5 into 5 into t power 4 upon 8 less 4 4. So 10 into 10 into 10. Like this we can write also 5 2 ja 5 2 ja 5 5 ja 5 2 ja. So that is you are looking here 5 into t power 4 upon 2 power 3. 2 time is there, or you can write like this also 5 or 5 t power 4 multiply 2 power minus 3, also write like this, or this one is a better than this one. And then last part 3 power 5 3 power 5 multiply 10 power 5 multiply 25 upon 5 power 7 multiply 6 power 5. So that simply we will write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 power is there. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 multiply 25. This is a long process but easy. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 1 2 3 4 5, and then we'll cancel 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 3 2 ja, and then 3 2 ja 3 2 ja, and then 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 2 5 ja, and then 1 cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, and then 5 5 ja, and then 5 1 ja. So that last answer is 1. Okay.